Hey folks, welcome to InTheMoneyStocks.com's live trading action video. My name is Gareth Soloway. Today's date is Monday, January 5th, 2015. What we're looking at here today is Netflix taking quite a beating, down 5% on the trading day. Now, the reason why I bring this chart to your attention is because we're seeing some major signals that, again, Netflix is most likely going to be headed lower. All right, and again, I want to show you this because you can see how it's already had a pretty significant sell-off from up here, about the 480-plus level, down to current levels around 332 or so. But the weekly chart is really what gets my attention. Flip over to the weekly, and let me do that now. And if you go to the weekly chart here, you can clearly see that you have a shoulder, head, and shoulder pattern in play here. And what you see right here is that you actually broke below it. You hit it here, you bounce, which creates the next shoulder. Here's your shoulder, okay? Then you broke below it, and you've tried to get back above that trend line. Let me show you this up close. All right, see how you got below it, and then you retraced into it. You pierced it, but never closed above it, and now are trading down. So what this is telling me on Netflix is that while you might get some interim bounces, this weekly chart is telling us that Netflix, get this, guys, could be headed all the way down here. All right, look at this pivot high and the pivot low. So that tells you there's support there, plus the weekly 200 moving average. And overall, I would say over the next 6 months, maybe even sooner, Netflix is going to about $250 per share. Now, based on its big fall today, I can't short it today, but I would say if this bounces back a little bit, this is a prime, I repeat, prime candidate as a shorting opportunity for a longer-term swing short. Okay, and again, just look at this beautiful chart pattern. Shoulder, head, and shoulder. You break below, it tries to get back above and fails, and now you're seeing some downside action here on the Netflix chart. Now, just a reminder, if by chance you get back above this trend line and establish yourself above, then it negates the head and shoulder pattern, and then you're no longer looking for downside. But as long as it stays below, you should have a negative bias on this stock to the downside. All right, come join us here at InTheMoneyStocks.com, folks. Get the latest trade alerts, get the latest awesome analysis via video, analysis via live broadcast. It's all in the Research Center. Come join us here at InTheMoneyStocks.com.